Hi everyone, welcome to Millet Magic. Today we are going to be making a healthy version of a dish which was always considered unhealthy, puri. It's going to be healthy because we're making it with millet flour instead of maida or wheat, and we're going to deep fry it in cold pressed oils which are extracted in wooden garnies driven by bulls, and also we're going to be adding palak to it. So let's start. The first step is to make the palak puree, and for this we require 2 medium sized bunches of palak, 3 to 4 green chilies and a little bit of jeera. I'm going to heat half cup of water in a steel vessel and add the palak into it. It may seem that there is less water initially, but the palak will soon release a lot of water and we don't want our puree to become too watery at the end. So half cup will surely do. I'm also adding in the green chilies and allowing both of them to cook together. I'm allowing this to cook for 10 minutes because I don't want any raw smell from the palak to remain. Once the palak has cooled down, I'm going to blend it into a smooth paste along with some jeera. And you can see that it's nice and smooth. I have transferred the puree into a vessel again and I'm going to heat it since the flour will bind better when it is hot. Here I have with me 2 cups of foxtail millet flour. Millet flour is gluten free and thus to get some binding we are going to add half cup of urud dal flour. Note the ratio 4:1. I'm also adding in some salt and I'm going to mix it all together. This will serve about 4 people. Now I'm going to add in the palak puree which is still warm. After mixing all the palak puree into the flour, I feel I require a little more water, so I'm adding half cup of warm water into it. You can adjust the water depending on the requirement. And after a good amount of kneading, my dough is ready. I'm going to allow the dough to rest for 6 hours. I have divided the dough into small portions and I'm going to roll them out into puris. And finally, I'm going to deep fry the puris. Ensure that the oil is hot before putting in the puris. Here I'm using coconut oil as it is absorbed least when used for frying. And it's that easy to make healthy puris. We'll be back next week with another healthy and tasty recipe. Until then, happy cooking!